Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply Indeed jobs in mobile. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to indeed.com and sign up for an account. If you don't know how to sign up, watch one of our videos on how to sign up on indeed.com. Now after creating a profile and signing up on Indeed, you will see this page, that is the dashboard. Here you'll have to simply click on this find jobs button just right here. After that, search the kind of job that you want. You have all these search suggestions. You can pick up any one of these jobs. So just click on any one of these jobs or search for it. Then choose your language and you will see all the jobs that will be related to your search. Now, I will just select any one of these jobs to apply. So I'm going to click on this customer service representative. When I click on this, it will show an apply now button at the bottom. Click on apply now button after reading this job post and you will have to add your contact information on this page. So add your contact information and click on continue. After you click on continue, you will get the option to add a CV for the employer or build an Indeed CV. So click on upload a CV if you want to upload it from your mobile phone. Then select media picker. From this, navigate to documents and choose a CV for your resume. Now choose whether you want other employers to find you. You can search whether you want yourself to be searchable. You can pick whether you want to be searchable on Indeed or not visible on Indeed. So I will choose searchable on Indeed and click on save. Now after you upload your CV, you will have to simply scroll down and click on continue. Now enter a past job that shows relevant experience. Type in the name of your company and click on continue. Now in this section, choose what is the highest level of education you have completed. After selecting this, choose how many years of total work experience do you have. Now you'll have to list 2 to 3 dates and time range that you could do an interview in. Now choose whether you speak English or not. After selecting this, choose whether you speak the other language and click on continue. So answer all the questions required and on this page, review your application, then click on submit your application. As you can see, I just applied to this job post on Indeed mobile. Now click on return to job post, search for another job, follow these instructions and apply for as much jobs as you can. And that's how you apply on Indeed jobs on mobile. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.